Hi guys, today I'm unboxing this one, EMF tester, or simply you can say the radiation tester. So it's an electromagnetic tester. So let's try. This thing cost me about £13. We need 3 AAA batteries. Got 3 AAA batteries. So let's see what this is. A small instruction menu. So let's see how it works. Keep and hold. And it shows temperature as well. So I'm just gonna check the magnetic field with the small magnet. There's some magnet I have. So you can see it's a magnet. So I'm gonna check it. Okay, work with the magnet. Let's see. It's a good small toy. It does work with the radiations. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.